What's up, guys? Marlon back with another massive tech video for you guys and girls today. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right off into it. And this is by far the best way to clean your Nintendo Switch. It's the X3 Hurricane Canless Air Machine. This thing is amazing. Oh my god, it actually works inside the box. But anyway, I'm gonna rip it out and I'm gonna show you how it cleans your Nintendo Switch at 260 miles an hour air coming out of this thing. Shout outs to John, the CEO of the company, for sending this over. Oh my god, link will be in the description. I believe it retails for 149 bucks. So I know a lot of you guys can't afford it, but you know, for people who can afford it, I feel like this is the best way to clean your Switch on the go and while it's at home, because my Switch right now is dusty. You can see the dock and inside the fan grills right here. Instead of you actually pulling down your Nintendo Switch to actually clean it and risk breaking something or voiding your warranty, I think this is really cool. And I remember for years I used to use the regular can air that they have in the stores or whatnot, and those things get really cold. Well, this one don't. So this is really cool. We're just gonna have to wait and see. I will demonstrate. All right, guys, we're back with the X3 Hurricane Canless air system here. I just took it outside the box, saved myself all the headache and boring unboxing. So we're going to actually test this, cleaning the Nintendo Switch, getting all that dust and grime, because literally I have my Switch since it came out and I never cleaned it. I just wiped the screen off. So can you just imagine how much dust is actually in this thing? So I'm gonna blow this thing 260 miles an hour air down in the Switch and hopefully it cleans it out. Hopefully I don't break my Switch. Oh Lord, here we go. Wow, it actually does work. It's a lot of dust coming out of there. Let's continue. All right, let's try the dock. I know the dock is like real dusty. Yes, sir. This is actually working out pretty good. But anyway, this is the Hurricane X3 Canless air system. You can use it to clean out your computer. You can use it to clean out your PlayStation, your Xbox, whatever you have, whatever device. This is pretty much an air compressor that's rechargeable. You can use it for 15 hours straight after you charge it up or whatnot. So I think this is like one of the best solutions to clean your Nintendo Switch. Love you guys so much. Check it out in the description. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Turn on that notification bell to join the brotherhood that we have here. And peace, Switch Gang Nation. Oh, let's go, Hurricane!